I'm back again with another review. This unit is from Tinashe. I worked with them in the past with my kinky hair, if you guys may know. If you look down below in my other videos, it's always a 10 out of 10 with them. This hair is the deep wave. It's 24 inches and the density is 180. As you can see in the video, I cut it a little bit, play with it. I think I'm gonna cut it a little bit more to put more body to it, but I think this is perfectly fine. I went back and wet it for you guys a little bit just so you could really see the curl pattern. You see how pretty it is? I wet it and it's just so pretty. Feels really good. Like, it's so soft. I'm so in love with this unit. I really like getting to styling it. I love my hair to be big, so I didn't part it or anything because I like to just kind of like throw it and just do whatever when it's curly. That's just kind of like my thing. But I didn't put anything in it. I only put water in it. I didn't put any mousse because I wanted to see what its natural state would have been without putting other products in it. So Tinashe Hair never disappoints. They never disappoint me ever. This is my second unit from them and I love it. So I definitely give this hair a 10 out of 10 from me unpackaging it, from me taking it out of the bag, from me putting it onto my hair. The knots bleach really nice. I had no problems with it. So don't forget to click the link down below. Everything will be down below. So thank you guys for watching and I will see you guys in my next video.